Today we're talking about how to market a hot tub repair business. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Gary Horton, owner of Find Life Marketing. In this video, I'll show you a simple yet powerful marketing strategy for promoting a hot tub repair business. Before we begin, I'm assuming your business already has a website and a Google business profile. A website and a Google business profile show that your business is established and legitimate. They also make it much easier for prospective customers to find you. The Google business profile for your hot tub repair business is where customers can leave reviews, and reviews are an essential part of marketing your business. It's important to ask every customer you serve to write a review of your business. The more reviews you have, the more credible your business will appear to potential customers. If you don't want to ask your customer for a review, that's not a problem. At the end of this video, I'll show you an easy way to get them. But it's not enough just to have a lot of reviews. As a business person, it's essential that you also respond to each one of your reviews, both the good reviews and the bad reviews. Responding to a good review can be as simple as replying, "Thanks for your great review. It was a pleasure to work on your hot tub." By replying to your reviews, it shows prospective customers that you are an attentive business person and aware of what people are saying about your service. A small percentage of bad reviews should be expected and can actually boost your credibility because it's more realistic and believable than a perfect 5 stars. If you get a bad review, simply reply like this: "Hi, I'm sorry for your experience. I'll contact you immediately to see what we can do to make things right," or something similar. The point is to show the customer and anyone who might read the review that you are an engaged business person who will fix any problem that may arise with your service. I know responding to reviews is just another thing for you to do, and you may already have more to do than most mortals can manage. That's why Find Life Marketing offers software that makes asking for and responding to reviews easy and quick. More about that in a moment. Another essential part of a powerful marketing strategy is to answer the phone. Answering the phone is crucial. Getting prospects to call you costs money, effort, and time. When you fail to answer the phone, you're throwing resources out the window. I understand that sometimes it may not be possible to answer the phone. Maybe you're doing a job, meeting with a customer, or doing any of the countless things you must do each day to keep your business going. However, the truth is, when someone has actually gone to the trouble of finding your business, reached out and called you only to be ignored, they won't call again. In a moment, I'll tell you about a unique software we offer that makes keeping up with phone calls much easier. But for now, let me show you a cost-effective way to find new customers precisely when they need your services. Google Ads. Google Ads allow you to put your hot tub repair business in front of potential customers exactly when they need their hot tub repaired. This is probably the most powerful advertising strategy you can use to promote your business. When someone has a problem with their hot tub, they search Google for a hot tub repair business. If you are promoting your business with Google Ads, they'll find your business. And because your phone number is in the ad, they can call you directly. This gives you an exclusive opportunity to build rapport with them and to quickly get the job. Here's how Find Life Marketing can help you. At Find Life Marketing, we specialize in using Google Ads to drive customers to service businesses like hot tub repair. Plus, our software makes managing customer communications quick and easy. Our software lets you simply click a button to automatically ask your customer for a review. When your customer gets the request, all they have to do is click on a link to leave you a 5-star review on Google and Facebook. Our software also helps you answer the phone. If you get a phone call and can't answer it, our software automatically sends a message to the caller. You can customize the message with something like, "Hi, this is Joe from Joe's Hot Tub Repair. I'm sorry I missed your call. How can I help you?" Without interrupting what you're doing, our software reaches out to the person who called and lets them know that you are a real person who is eager to help them. If you're interested in our software and how we can drive customers to your hot tub repair business with Google Ads, contact us for a free 15-minute consultation. Details are in the description below this video. At Find Life Marketing, our business is to make your business more successful, to help you earn more in less time and with less stress. We understand that you're in business to create a better life for yourself and for the people you love. That's why we named our company Find Life.